The fluid is flowing from point X to Y, which is a non-uniform cross-sectional tube as well. Whereas K1 and K2 is representing the kinetic energy per unit volume at point X and Y. And based on that, we have to select which option is correct. So we can solve this question based on Bernoulli's principle, which states that for an ideal fluid, the total mechanical energy per unit volume remains constant along a streamline. So it's known that the equation of Bernoulli's theorem is nothing but half rho v square, which is representing the kinetic energy per unit volume, plus rho gh, which is representing the potential energy per unit volume, plus pressure is equal constant. So here we have 2 points, x and y. So if we are going to apply the Bernoulli's principle for both points, we can write K1 plus rho GH plus P is equal K2 plus rho GH plus P, because it's given in the question at point X the kinetic energy is K1, at point Y the kinetic energy is K2. Apart from that, we can write H will be 0 at the point of X because it is at the ground, whereas H will be equal to Y, or we can take H itself in the case of point Y. So here we can write the equation as K1 plus P plus 0 will be equal to K2 plus P plus rho GH. So it's known that the pressure will be same on both sides. So the pressure will get cancelled. So we can write K1 is equal K2 plus rho GH. So by this equation itself, we can say K1 will be higher compared to K2. Then only this equation get equalized. So we can say K1 is greater than K2. So based on that, we can say option C will be the correct answer for this question.